Namaste everybody, this is Akarshana here, and I'd like to send an invite to you to join us on a 5-day body confidence challenge for women especially. Now, what we found over the years in our reaching out to 55 million people around the world is that a lot of the time with females especially, there is a lot of potential there. There is a potential to reach big goals, big dreams, big desires. And I believe today is the rise of the female empowerment age. And a lot of the blockages that is happening is around the insecurities with how one looks, how one feels within that shell. And so aside from just giving like diet tips and exercise tips, what we wanted to do is to do an all-encompassing, meaning the mind, the body, and the spirit, whether it's the physical or the non-physical, to actually align all of these energies, unleash your power from within so that you can achieve those dreams and desires that you've always wanted. So if you are looking for more energy in life, if you're wanting to feel good, feel more confident, and be more powerful as a powerful spirit, then just join us on this 5-day challenge. All you need to do is just enter your details around this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the 5-day challenge. Otherwise, love and prayers to all. Namaste.